This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel here in Bel Air, California. I have with me Dr. Bill Schell, Targeted Medical Pharma Corp., publicly traded company symbol TRGM. Welcome back to SNNLive.
Well, thank you, Shelley. It's a pleasure to be here. It's nice of you to have me.
Anytime. And welcome back. Okay, update. It's update time, but let's start first. Tell what the company does, and then we'll get an update.
We're a company who specializes in the nutrient management of disease, and we use nutrient substances to produce neurotransmitters in order to affect autonomic nervous system function and therefore the signs and symptoms of various disease states.
That's a natural fit with what? Drugs?
Well, we're replacing drugs for many indications, but we are also reducing the dose of commonly used drugs because we make them more efficient.
And what benefit does that have?
Well, there's no side effects. Our niche is our products have no side effects. I shouldn't say virtually no side effects, and therefore we can reduce side effects associated with pain medicines, sleep medicines, appetite suppressants, and agents like that.
So if it's nutrients, it's like a medical food, isn't it?
Well, we fall into the category of medical foods. The FDA has recently redefined the category, so we fall down under both the medical food category and the nutrient supplement category, not the dietary supplement category.
So does that make it reimbursable?
Both our nutrient supplement and our medical food products and our convenience kits are all reimbursed by insurance.
That's a big category to be included in.
That's correct. It attacks a large number of patient populations.
So give us an example, for instance, of some of your largest selling nutrient products.
Our largest selling product is a product called Theramine, which is a nutrient-based pain medicine. It has efficacy similar to codeine, but it has no side effects. For example, we've administered more than 40 million doses without a single GI bleed, which if it had been a non-steroidal, there would have been approximately 16,000 deaths associated with non-steroidals, and our products just don't have any bleeding capacity.
So that would be a good product for fibromyalgia, right?
It's a good product for fibromyalgia. It's a good product for postoperative pain. It's a good product for chronic arthritis, so that because it's side effect free, you could take it for long periods of time. Most of the non-steroidals, unknown to the public, really have a 14-day period that you're supposed to administer them, but ours can be used for years without attenuation.
Where do you go from here, Doc? You got 2014 is here. You've been a public company now for a while. What do you think 2014 into 2015? I mean, you could tell us about your future.
Well, in the last several quarters, our sales have began to accelerate. We anticipate that continuing for the indefinite future. We've also have a new product that we've introduced the clinical trials about 8 weeks ago, where we're using nutrient management of the autistic syndrome without any side effects.
For me, that I look upon many of my friends who have autistic patients and their families. That would be a boom.
It's really very gratifying to watch these kids begin to speak and to have a decrease in their violent episodes, and the parents are very gratified because the kids can enter a more normal environment, because often the kids are quite intelligent, they just have these social issues.
So why would you have picked a category of orphan disease to develop a new product? You must have other ideas. I know you a little bit.
I can't comment at that at this point, but the technology is scalable.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a website from Dr. Schell.
The best website is www.ptlcentral, paultomlarrycentral.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Bill Schell, Targeted Medical Pharma Corp., publicly traded company, and the symbol is TRGM, Tango, Robert, Gymnasium, Mary. I'm coming up with a new one every time. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live. We're at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. Bill,
Thank you.
perfect to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks.